prepare for level, thank you.
Hello everyone, we are now on our final descent and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. In preparation for landing, kindly make sure your window shades are up, tray table stowed, and seatbelt securely fastened. Standing up and going to left door at this time is strictly prohibited. Bilang paghahanda sa ating paglapag, mangyari po lamang itaas ang tabing ng mga bintana, tiklopin ang mesa, at isuot ang sinturong pangkaligtasan. Ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.